What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. Take a look. As you guys can see, we have the Air Jordan 13 Hyper Royals released today. I'm gonna get into this detailed review and I'm gonna give you guys a quick on feet. If you love the Air Jordan 13 Cherries, this is a classic. Love these a lot. But yo, these right here, definitely dope, man. Blue is one of my favorite colors. It's just like these. If you got these, it's the same as these. Y'all know how I do. Start off with the box. Take a look at that box. Typical Jordan 13 box, nothing special. Just gave us the OG 13 box. Take a look at that size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 13 Retro. The colorway is white, Hyper Royal black. Retails $190. Inside the box, got my receipt, and it just comes with a regular white paper. But let's start from the front. The leather on these is pretty dope. The leather's nice and soft. You take a look, you got your tumbler front of the toe. As you can see, got your Jordan in white with the black tag. Of course, behind that, you got your Roman numeral 13. White laces going up on the tongue. You got your blue Jumpman stitched in. Take a look at the midsole. Got your black hits with your Hyper Royal blue over here in that suede. And the leather is nice. Look, take a look. As you can see, you got your tumble leather all throughout the upper. Take a look at the hologram. Hologram, you already know, got your Jumpman right there with the 23. Let's take a look at the medial side. Medial side, same as the lateral. You got your blue on the midsole with the black, and you got your white upper in that tumble leather. Real simple shoe, but nice. Take a look at the back. The suede on the Hyper blue, it does continue and comes through the back of the shoe. It's real nice. Does give it a nice little change when you wipe it too, you know what I'm saying? Inside, you got a blue Jumpman in there with a black inner sole. And of course, the sock line is in white. Take a look at the bottom. Bottom, typical Jordan 13 bottom. You got your white, your hits of blue, carbon fiber plate in black, and you got your hologram right there in that blue with the black Jumpman. It's just a dope colorway to me. You know what I'm saying? Just like these, man. These is classics. I love the Cherry 13. Definitely a shoe I had to have, and I had to add these with them. Got these on my military discount, so I did pay a good price. And I must say, they are looking very fresh. I also got my son a pair. I'm going to show you what the GS pair looks like. And bow, take a look at the GS pair. GS pair is just like the men's, exactly the same. But yeah, got my son the GS pair. He definitely liked these a lot. But yeah, these is nice. Showed you guys the GS pair, showed you guys the men's pair. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these. Did you guys cop? Did you guys pass? About to give you guys a quick on feet. For sizing on these, I do recommend you guys go true to size. You can check your local malls to see if they still have any. We're going to get into this quick on feet. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Got more videos to come, so stay tuned. It's your boy Diaz Dan, man. Thank you guys for watching. And I'm gone.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.